Well, hello there, YouTube. Check this out. Look at that beautiful wide glide. Man. She's a 96-incher. I'm not sure what year it is. I didn't work on her or do anything to it. Yeah, turn that out so I don't get in trouble. Pulled over. Take her for a quick little rip. So you come in, yeah. Had himself a flat tire. You know what? There may be a huge problem. These radial pipes are probably gonna drown out the Sony mic. This may all be a bust. Nice place to park that 4Runner. The more I sit here, the more chance somebody is going to come around that hill. Made it out safely. Oh yeah, this feels good. If I don't have stuff in my pockets, I'll lose. Oh yeah, like no fairing of any shape or sort. So I'm going to get the full rush of the wind, and that's going to feel really good. Yeah, I have a feeling I might not even be able to use this footage. That exhaust is loud. See if it helps with the windshield down. This little Sony mic, it can't take a lot of abuse. Oh, this feels freaking-tastic. You know, I keep thinking about, and that's why I'm avoiding riding those new Softails, because I'd like to have a large Harley, Street Bob. I really like that new Fat Bob. Some people, not sure what they think about the look of it. But I think it looks cool as heck. I've actually only seen one in person, and that was when I went to got the oil filters for my Milwaukee 8. They had one sitting there. Oh, she was wonderful. But yeah, these just stripped down, just a good old-fashioned naked Harley. These things are awesome. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. The guy just picked this thing up from us here not too long ago. Last time he had a Harley was, the last one he had, I think they said it was an 89, maybe it was a 98. But it was some custom build, and this one just feels so different to him. He just wanted somebody with some Harley riding knowledge to take it for a quick little rip, see what I think. So far I am like super impressed. Yeah, it just feels so good. Good old wide glide. Oh man, I can just see myself just taking off and not coming back somewhere. I'm not a huge fan of flames, but obviously there's a couple I like. One, my Street Glide Special has flames, but what's cool is it's only in certain kind of light that you even notice it's there. It's really weird. In fact, when I was sitting down, I was literally doing the paperwork to buy it, and we were talking about the colors, and he goes, yours with the flames. I go, oh, I'm not a fan of flames. He goes, well, you just rode one with flames. I went, no, it's not flame. It was just like a two-tone. No, it's flames. And I had to go out there and go, oh my God, it's actually flames. Didn't care. I loved the way it looked. I rolled out with her. Oh, this feels so good. Just as natural. And even the forward pegs, which I'm not a huge fan of, don't bother me one bit. just fits the bike. She's so lovely. Good old Harleys. Man, that thing is low to the ground. Yeah, flat foot with my knees half bent. Guess I need to let them know I'm going to take a left here. I'm not used to reaching forward to put my feet on the pegs. Anyway, he was bringing it to us, and this morning, and must have ran over something on the way in, because I seen it, and I mentioned it on the daily vlog. It must be in for a tire, you know. No, it was in for me to take it for a ride. I said, well, what about the flat tire? They look like they were, oh. Guess we gotta address that and say, yeah, I can't test ride it like that. So Ryan, my son, put a new tube in it. Whatever it was, went in, went out. They got punctured by something. Tire wasn't damaged. Not a hole where anything could get in. Couldn't even find a hole. But it was on the outside, so something obviously, you know, probably a little cactus burr or a finishing nail or something, just enough to reach in there and lower the pressure of that good old inner tube. Oh man, I really do not want to go back. I'm like really enjoying this thing. Oh man, I'm getting a good old shake through the pegs at certain RPMs. I love that. I mean, a good old shake. Yeah, buddy, that's cool. She's so good looking too. Man, I would ride this thing with just a big old smile on my face. Proud as a peacock. Oh, we are stopping now. Whoa, 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 whoa there, Honda, or whatever you are. That guy was rolling up on me hard, wasn't he? Did the same thing as me. Like, look at this, there's big old gaps. Maybe that guy in the old Ford didn't have good brakes and he was checking up way before he had to. Gave me a little scare. Oh man, this thing is so nice. Find one of these things used for a good price. I wonder what we sold it for. I'm not sure, but I think the carbs are out of sync. Do you hear that little bit of hesitation in it? Heck yeah. What always amazes me about these things is you very seldom feel the heat coming off of them. I mean, it feels like there's probably more heat coming off the concrete than I'm feeling coming off of the motor. Oh, I'm telling you, I would ride the wheels off of this thing. Does it have pegs and stuff on it? Yeah. Does it got a seat back there? Oh, yeah. Feels like it's one of them half-hour seats. God, I wish this was like a store asset. I'd throw a helmet on Kelly and take her for a quick cool-off lap around the block. It's a customer's bike. Wow, that's like a crazy long line. Crazy long. Now the one thing you gotta watch for is it's weird. There's 2 left-hand turn lanes, and I got to go wide. And people don't realize that that's where the lane goes, and it'll roll in on you. You know, I don't know if the mic is getting blasted out by that exhaust, but that is not irritating to me at all. It's not one that I immediately have this feeling I'd have to wear earplugs with this thing. Not at all. You get on her, she's got a nice bark to her though. Absolutely wonderful. Yeah, she sounds sweet. This thing's awesome. I'll take it.
That's good.
Yeah, real good. That's so fun. Everybody's got a different side stand location. Man, I think it's nice. Man, really, really nice. I like the black rims on it. You'd never know that thing was a 96. You don't really notice that much difference between, I mean, really, you go 88, 96, 103. Yeah, a little bit. But the way you normally ride them, you're never going to notice that. Alrighty.
Do that Harley.
Jesus Christ. Thanks for coming along.